In Barcelona at Connect Hort, IEC is enabling collective efforts to renaturalize the urban fabric currently dominated by concrete. Aiming to grow aromatic and edible plants comes Co-Mida, a smart modular vertical garden. Built using 3D printed clay, a sustainable material implemented through performative design, Co-Mida promotes a more natural urban ecosystem. Designed to be digitally manufactured using ceramic 3D printers, this process facilitates the production of different versions of the same module that can be made easily. This allows the wall system, composed of diverse modules, to adapt in terms of dimensions, morphologies, and demands. The 3D printing process is deployed using a 6-axis industrial robot that produces the modules layer by layer. This allows to minimize material waste with respect to other forms of fabrication. Clay is a natural material with a low carbon footprint, which, after being fired at high temperature, is transformed into ceramics. The Co-Mida modules were kept uncoated to increase the growth of bacteria and improve the microclimatic conditions for the soil and plants they host. The different variations of the modules also provide an ideal habitat for insects, birds, and bats, thus promoting a holistic urban ecosystem. The vertical garden is embedded with a biophotovoltaic system that collects energy from the bacteria that inhabit the soil where the plants live. A microbial fuel cell leads to a redox process that transfers the free electrons released by the bacteria, thus producing electrical energy, which can be used to power the smart monitoring system of the vertical garden. This system includes electronic sensors such as humidity and temperature sensors, as well as an electrovalve for water and Wi-Fi for the interaction of the users via a web app and a Telegram API. This project is a result of a co-design process with the users of the space. Through a series of workshops with the residents of Passaig Trullas and the Connect Hort collective, the co-design of the vertical garden has been a key phase of the project, giving innovative and interesting ideas to integrate new functions according to the needs identified by the community. The Co-Mida project aims to contribute to the construction of a new scenario that prioritizes deglobalization and the commitment to more self-sufficient, sustainable, and resilient local production models.